Hi everyone, how you all doing? Good morning, good afternoon, evening, from wherever you are watching me from. This morning I want to do a smoothie and also take my Femboot. So there is always more nourishment when you use fresh food, especially fruits and vegetables. They have great nutrients, vitality that they add to our body. Cooking reduces the nutrients and vitality in food greatly. So I've decided that for this week I want to do smoothie just to refresh the body. So what I have here, I have this is a beetroot. Going to add to my NutriBullet. Beetroot, and I have this is cucumber slice. Cucumber, and I have blueberry. Wow, full of antioxidants. There we go. It's almost full now. And I have my avocado. So what I do, I will going to blend this first, and when it has reduced, then I can have space to put the avocado. So I will add some water and blend this first. Right, so I have some water here. I want to add this so that it will be easy on the blender, and I cover it. Now, this is my NutriBullet, so I'm going to use that to blend it. Yeah. So I go. Now I'm going to add the avocado. I will scoop the avocado into it. Oh my God, look at it now. Wow. I'll scoop the avocado into it. Now, look at. Now I have my avocado all in. Wow. And I like using this is relaxing tea. I like putting half tablespoon on it before I blend. Now, so I put the cover. Before I blend, I'll start to make my tea so that I can be infusing. Femboot. I have a small tea bag in it. Put in a cup, and I add my hot water. Hot water. Now, I leave it to be infusing while I blend my smoothie. There we go. Now, all done. Oh my God. Come and see. Lovely. I eat this, and before I talk of eating again, this supper, because this is already is brunch. I'm taking breakfast and my lunch all together. I see you at supper time. Yum. Now, I try it. Look. Lovely. Healthy fat from avocado, healthy carbohydrates, fruits for all vitamins, antioxidants. I tell you, this is great. You need to have this. You are what you eat. It's not a cliche. It's true. So eat this and build up your resistance, your immunity against diseases. This is my medicine. Food, use food. Let food be your medicine and medicine your food. And this is my food. My food and soil is my medicine. Now I check the tea. It will take 5 to 10 minutes. So before it's completely infused. And one thing too I want to tell you, when you are using this bag, this firm board, you can reuse it for another cup, maybe in the evening. Don't just discard it. Keep it for reuse, and it will even be more conk, the tea that it will brew. Thank you. See, it's changing color now. The concentration is already changing.